In this Q2 edition of Crash Course, we explore the impacts of severe weather on the industry, with a special focus on hurricanes and hailstorms, which are growing in frequency and intensity. Extreme weather events have become more frequent and severe in recent years, creating new challenges for the automotive claims and repair industries. Initial forecasts are predicting 11 hurricanes this season, with 5 categorized as major storms. If these forecasts are accurate, 2024 could look a lot like the tumultuous 2021 season, where 4 of the 7 major hurricanes generated over $1 billion in damage each. And that doesn't include Hurricane Ida, which caused $60 billion in damages to the Louisiana coast alone. But it wasn't until 2022 that we witnessed the costliest hurricane in Florida's history, Hurricane Ian. During Ian's peak days, CCC data shows that monthly comprehensive estimates jumped nearly 7x for Florida, and parts demand increased almost 20x for trunk lids and lift gates. Total loss vehicle claims also spiked from just under 20% to nearly 52%, and the volume of CRV valuations increased drastically across the board, contributing to the storm's overall damage costs of somewhere between $53 and $74 billion. These billion-dollar hurricanes are becoming more common in states with the biggest population increases, like Florida and Texas. In the Midwest and Central Plains regions, the most likely to be impacted by severe convective storms, hailstorms, not hurricanes, are on the watch list, accounting for $70 billion in insured losses in 2023. CCC data shows that hail-related auto claims have increased significantly, representing 11.8% of all comprehensive claims in 2023, up from 9% in 2020. Our data also shows that hail claims are, on average, roughly 22% more costly to repair than the average comprehensive claim, and about 26% costlier than the average repairable claim. Carriers aren't the only ones reeling from the aftermath of a severe storm. Repair facilities are dealing with higher repair volume, parts constraints, bigger workloads, and longer wait times. In the days following Hurricane Ian's landfall, the average time it took for vehicles to get into the repair center to begin repairs spiked to more than 100 days, according to CCC data. To learn more about the impact of severe weather on the auto claims and repair industries, visit cccis.com and download our Q2 Crash Course report.